In this video, I am swatching out Lindy's Stamp Gang Magicals and then Colorcraft Brusho. These are both watercolor powders, and they do some really cool effects. Right now, I am just swatching them out, putting them down, and then I'm going to go through and you will see the color names of each of these pigments. The reason why I'm doing it that way and not putting the names on them right away is because I want them to sit, and as they settle they do more things, so I want to show you them again as I name them, and because it's wet and I can't write in wet paper. I want to also let you know that I'm going to be adding a lot more videos of this. I do have one already, just a quick introduction to these if you haven't heard of them. It is just coming across the right corner there, the top right corner there. And I'm going to be doing more videos, including painting with these. And so you want to keep watching. Right now on my channel, there is a watercolor giveaway, and I have giveaways all the time. So for each giveaway, you will need to, they each have their own playlist, and all you need to do is watch each video in that playlist, in the playlist for that specific giveaway, and comment on each video, give a thumbs up or thumbs down on each video, and you need to be subscribed to me. Keep in mind that there will be more videos added, so you want to click the little notification bell because you don't want to miss any of those videos, because you need to make sure you do it on each of the videos to enter the contests. And I am just going to let you watch now. see, these are like the most amazing things ever. To compare the Brusho with the Magicals, I don't find that there's much difference at all. I do find the Magicals are a little bit cheaper. But again, that can change depending on where you live. I got both of these from Amazon, although I think you can get them directly from their own websites. And if you're interested in the different packs I have from Lindy's Stamp Gang, because they do come in little packs of 5, I have Mad Hatter, Industrial Chic, Autumn Leaves, Drop Dead Diva, Haunted Halloween, and Neon Graffiti. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of me swatching them out, and I hope you will watch some more of the videos that I have coming up with these.